has been good actually. We have a lot of persons indicating their interest in our savings account, and really a lot of persons coming on board being interested in our checking account. We have a lot of persons signing up for the partner plans. It's a really interesting way to save. So it's really been good thus far to see everybody coming on board, checking out our different products and services and that kind of a thing. So yeah.
We are promoting our photography club, robotics club, and some of our other clubs. So how we are innovating or contributing to our innovation is using digital photography. Our club, students, adults can come, become a member, learn how to take photographs and edit them using phone, tablets, or other graphic software or computer softwares.
It's always good fun when someone comes along and brings some entertainment. It's nice to get a relief from school stress.
It has been very interesting so far. I came before the concert. There were some booths and so on, and it was very interesting. And the concert itself was entertaining. So nice presentation. Big ups to the release.
I really enjoyed it today. Today was really, really fun. You know, there were different booths here. You had Western Union, you had JN, you had Lasco I Cool. You know, they sponsored me this juice. It tastes really nice. You know, I really enjoyed it so far.
I ain't lying, it was a good vibe, it was a good experience, and I love the energy. So when I see it, I would love to come back again, either next year or anytime soon release need me.
Well, Mico was extremely well. I really enjoy myself. I don't really enjoy, full enjoy myself. You understand? Because the pitney make me really feel, not to pitney, the big people they make me feel welcome. You know pitney? Yeah, they make me feel welcome as always. You understand? So, thumbs up to Mico.
It was welcoming and the vibe was there, you know what I mean? It was a good vibes and them accept the performance, which was nice, you know what I mean? From them I enjoy themselves, me I enjoy myself, you know what I mean?
Doing the release tour and going to the colleges and stuff, it make a lot of new people who haven't seen me in a while or who never seen me before gets to see me, so I'm grateful for that.
It was a great, performance. They were into it. You know, you can see the love, longing to see Macadamia for a long time, and I loved it. So it's all love. It's all excitement, and the release. Trust me, it's a release.
Yeah, it was a vibe, you know, came out and we just brought the energy. Artists came and they performed and people was just here having a vibe. Everybody did their thing. Vibe was up, Michael was just full of energy, so definitely was just a good look.
And so the vibe for me, it was like coming back home, just pass through and, you know, see some old friends and some new things and some new persons. So it was a good energy, a good vibe.
For this college tour, is a great thing, promoting myself, my artists and other artists. The release is doing a great thing.
I enjoyed the day. The experience was good. Big up 7 C's that was here talking about healthy lifestyle and healthy products. Lasco was here. As you can see, I'm holding our lyrics. The performance was good. Big up all the artists. They will come support the thing. We go up on stage, go dance with Abby. Yeah, the experience was good. Thank you.